Alright, yeah, so I really didn't want to have to break these puppies out today, but I think it's the day to do it. I'm probably not going to use them all. Gotta save them, you know. I'm just going to blow it up, something up. Not sure what yet, but we're gonna do it. So, yeah. Alright, this is what I'm working with, you know. It's a good amount. I think you'd make a pretty big boom. Should I do something? Alrighty, that was pretty good. I thought it was gonna be a big old one. Hope that's not my neighbor. One time I hit my neighbor's window with a firework. Wasn't too smart. We got a little one. Don't want to get too big. Bang, bang. Alright, I think that's all the explosions we're gonna do today before my neighbors or anybody. Dad comes out here. That's it. Alright, I think that's it for today.